Hello guys, this year on 6th May, we got the result for IIM Lucknow PGP and PGP ABM. But few of us are still struggling to understand the result. So for the help of those candidates and what will be the expected waitlist movement for this year, I have decided to make this video. This year on 6th of May, IIM Lucknow PGP and PGP ABM results were announced. And according to that, if you are ranked 302 in the open category, you have received a final offer letter from them. Same is the case in the PGP ABM. If you are ranked till 36, you received the final offer letter from IIM Lucknow in PGP ABM. For EWS category, it's 75. In PGP ABM, it's 14. For NCOBC is 232. For PGP ABM is 34. In SC category, it's 124. And in PGP ABM is 14. For ST category, 66 ranked people or below that received final offer letter. And for PGP ABM, if you are got ranked till 19, you got the final offer letter from them. Same is the case with the other categories. So I have taken data from last year. As per the data on 9th of July 2021, if you are ranked till 610 or below that, you got the final offer letter from them. In PGP ABM, it was 119. In EWS category, it was 117. In PGP ABM, it was 19. In NCOBC, if your rank was 452 or lower than that, you received a final offer letter from them. In PGP ABM, it was 98. In SC category, it was 297. In PGP ABM for SC category, it was 78. In ST category, if your rank was 120 or below that, you got the final offer letter. And in PGP ABM for ST category, it was 20. So I have made some expected waitlist movement from IIM Lucknow PGP and PGP ABM. So I have already told that how to calculate the waitlist number. Suppose in open category, your rank is 350. So it means that your waitlist movement is 48. So if you are waitlisted till 308, you can expect a final offer from IIM Lucknow in PGP. In PGP ABM open category till 83 waitlist number, you can expect a final offer letter. In EWS category PGP, if your waitlist number is still 42, you can expect a final offer letter from them. In PGP ABM, it's 5. In NCOBC, if you are waitlisted till T20, you can be offered a admission in 22-24 class. In PGP ABM NCOBC, it's 64. In SC category, it's 173. In PGP ABM SC category, 64. In ST category, it's 54. And in PGP ABM, it's 1. So these are just the indicative number to help the participants, because we have seen in the past, like if you have converted FMS or auxiliary Jamshedpur, so these three colleges creates a lot of confusion for people. So once you get the shortlist after second or third list, you'll not be getting more than 3 days to deposit a fees. So if you have decided to join IIM Lucknow, then you should be ready with the fees, as well as you need to decide that out of these three colleges which I have mentioned, auxiliary, FMS and IIM Lucknow, which will be the best suited college for you. And my suggestions for all the participants is, don't take the college which is best in India. Take the college which will be the best suited for you and your personality. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can just share in the comment box. We will try to solve or give our inputs on that. Thank you.